Everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to use Cash App without social security. So the first step is to simply download Cash App on your Android or iOS device, and then after you do that, what you're going to have to do is simply create your free account. So what you're going to have to do is simply download the app and then simply open the app. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your mobile number or email address. Now after you do that, what you're gonna have to do is simply enter the verification code that Cash App sends you. Then simply enter your debit or credit card info to link your bank account. Then what you're gonna have to do is simply enter your name and create a unique cash tag, and basically your unverified account will be active. Now, of course, if you want to verify your Cash App account, you're gonna have to enter your social security number, but you can still use your Cash App account even if you don't have a verified account. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.